Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Beats Studio Buds. So this one's kind of important because, for me at least, because these Studio Buds are supposed to be kind of similar to the AirPods Pro. So I want to see how they fare to the AirPods Pro, just to see if they're any comparable. So let's go ahead and get into the box. I'm just gonna move this aside. I just have this that way we can test them out on Android, because there's an Android app and there's also an iOS app. All right, so starting right here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this here. It's so quiet. I kind of like Apple's packaging on their official products more because they're always so loud. All right, so we go ahead and open this here. And you slide this up, and there goes your product. And then, there we go. And then in here, you get try Apple Music for free. You get at least, it says that you get at least 3 months for free. You also get pairing information of how to pair it to an Android device, how to pair it with an iPhone, and how to pair it with additional devices. You get a Beats sticker, your safety and handling, and your warranty information. Apple gives you 1 year of warranty by default on all of their products, so if anything happens in that year that's a general manufacturer defect, they will repair it. All right, let's go ahead and get this open here. All right, it says to pair, keep earbuds in case with the lid open. There's nothing else on here. It's kind of weird. This is just like a thick card. There's nothing else on here. This is just a thick card made out of paper. All right, let's see what else is here. So you also get this fast fuel cable, which is USB-C to USB-C. I have to give them that because I'm glad that they didn't put Lightning. And it's not that I have anything against Lightning, it's just that I feel like USB-C is here, so I feel like we should just use USB-C. And then you have your ear tips, you have small, you have large, and then on these you get medium installed on them. All right, so to pair, you're going to open the case, the LED light will show, and then you're gonna get the device you wanna pair your new buds with. Oh wow, look. And this popped up. Beats Studio Buds will appear on linked devices. Wow. So just download the app. Oh shoot. This is actually pretty cool. I only say that because usually you only get this kind of feature with an Apple product. So like usually with the iPhone, it'll pop up that you're about to set up some new headphones. Pretty cool that Apple is able to do that. When setting it up, you have an option to always send feedback. I always send it. It just has information that helps them improve the product. Next, while using the app, you can use the location. That's fine. Beats Studio Buds. Power on. Holds the button. Oh, okay. So power it on, and then once it's flashing, then it's ready to go. Tap to connect. Okay, didn't I do that already? Let's see. All right. Let me press this button here. I think they may have paired already because that pop-up came up. Let me see here. Couldn't connect. See, even people like myself get stuck when it comes to connecting some devices, so we're just going to go back to our guide. Power on. Bring the Beats Studio Buds close to this Android device and open the lid. If the light's not blinking, press and hold the button inside the charging case. Tap to connect. It seems very simple, but it's not being simple. There we go. It connected. All right. Let's go back to the app. Oh, this is the app. It looks like the app open settings. Okay. Here we go. All right, and it looks like it has transparency mode, noise cancellation. And this is actually similar to the toggle that you get on the iPhone, but it's built into the operating system rather than this. All right, that's cool. So these are set up. So that's it for the setup process. That's pretty cool. All right, I'm also gonna set this up with an iPhone. So let me just get that really quick. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these Beats connected to an iPhone here. So to start, you're gonna have to press and hold the button in the case again. And then, as you can see, you'll have the pop-up here that tells you to connect. And this is the part where I was saying it's a lot easier on the iPhone versus on the Android, because the Android, while it had that pop-up, it wasn't as smooth. So this, it just pops up, you press connect, it's connected, you're done. You don't have to do anything else. And then additionally, I also want to show you the system built-in toggles for transparency mode, noise cancellation, and the off feature, which is built into iOS versus how on the Android it has to use the app in order to control those features, which of course that's normal because I mean it is an Android device. It wasn't built by Apple, and I'm pretty sure Google, at least for now, is probably not going to want to add that feature. So I got them to connect. They were kind of connecting between the Android and the iPhone. So now it's connected to the iPhone. What we're going to do is in the control center, we're going to press and hold on the audio section where it shows the Beats. As you can see, you have noise cancellation off and transparency. So this is what I was talking about with it being built into the operating system. Alright, so that is the Studio Buds unboxing and setup. So there should be a review coming out very soon. Now the review I did hold by just a little bit. The reason why I decided to do that is because I am going to be testing out the new AirPods as well, the AirPods 3. So while I want to go ahead and publish the review that I have already for the Beats Studio Buds, I can't until I have the new AirPods. It would be the only fair thing to do. The reason why is because once I have those, I can kind of compare the sound, and it'll help me in creating the review for those as well. That way these don't get a poor or, excellent rating if there's other headphones that sit in a similar price range that may be better. Anyways guys, thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more. Thumbs this video up if you liked it. Also, I'd like to mention that the soundtrack that's in the background is actually a new soundtrack that I created. Its name is Slide. So if you guys would like to check that out, it'll be available on all streaming platforms on November 1st. And it'll be available in regular audio. It'll also be available in Dolby Atmos audio on Apple Music, Amazon Music, and Tidal. I'm not sure if Spotify supports it. Spotify may also support Dolby Atmos. So if they support Dolby Atmos, you'll be able to listen to it with Dolby Atmos on that platform as well. Additionally, if you'd like to listen to the song on platforms with the highest resolution possible, this song was exported with the highest resolution possible. So like say you're using Apple Music, you'll see it showing as lossless audio. So that's something to note. And then I've also reworked some of my older sounds as well. More specifically, I reworked one of my older sounds, which is the soundtrack titled Oceanside. That's been reworked for Dolby Atmos as well. And that will be available November 1st as well. So if you guys wanted to check those out in Dolby Atmos, you definitely can. One thing to note is that Dolby Atmos does require you to have a supported device. So you need to have a phone, tablet, or computer that either has Apple Music, Amazon Music. I believe Spotify might also work with it, but I know for sure it's Apple Music, Amazon Music, and Tidal. So just something to keep aware. And then additionally, if you have any of the AirPods, so the AirPods 3, the AirPods Pro, or the AirPods Max, all three of those additionally support spatial audio with Dolby Atmos. So you get an extra bit of you know, kind of oomph with the sounds that you're listening to. So that's something else to keep in mind. Anyways, guys, once again, I thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more. Thumbs this video up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video.